Hey, Barto, this is Neil. It's April 5th, and I was going to go for a run, and I got stuck working on CORS. The problem with CORS isn't what it's trying to accomplish. The problem is that there's always one more thing that you haven't configured that doesn't quite work. And I kept running into those things and solving them, and now it's solved. So I'm running this through Cloud Shell, but this has been deployed onto production, and I'm going to show you what you can do now when you're running. And this isn't going to work when you're running HTTP. You're going to have to run on Cloud Shell. But if you do add a query parameter here, API equals, and then you can specify the base URL of the API server. So rather than it being the same host, it's going to be completely different, and it works. So some of the stuff that we had to do here was add some more configuration. The big thing is your origin has to be specified in our secret. So I have CORS origins here, and you must edit that and add any URLs in there. But I defaulted it to what I have in here. So I'm probably going to sync these up at some point. So the secrets actually get used to generate this file rather than it being separate, because I don't like separate stuff. It makes my head go crazy. So I'll sync those up, but these are the ones that are in there right now. So I'm assuming that it will work with Surfey.me, but you can see it's working with this one because that's how I'm able to get this working. So you can see I'm asking for it here, and this is through a fetch. Awesome. And I'm not even specifying credentials, so I have credentials set to include in the fetch, and that causes it to pass along cookies. But that was another thing I had to set correctly. So cookies are now being set, but they do have secure only. So if you're running with localhost, this might cause you a bit of a problem. Yeah, so hopefully that's not too big of a deal. Otherwise, yeah, MVP, you can now test CORS stuff, and hopefully this also works for your Flutter app. So again, sorry about the CORS problems. Hope it didn't ruin your day. Ciao, man.